In this video we show how to repair a damaged belt. You can see this belt is damaged. This belt is damaged. You must take one scale and you must also take a blade. After that you must turn this belt like this, and here you must see the damaged portion. Just put the scale like this, and after that you must use your blade and do like this. You can cut this. Oh, look here, it's like this now. Okay, now you can take your belt's buckle, stand like this. Okay, and you must insert here. After that you must like this. You must press hard. You must press your press hard. Now look at this. Now you can see that it is tied now. The belt is ready. Hope you enjoy this video. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers Online. Thank you.